Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I have another video for you guys here. This is gonna be a short video, nothing too crazy. This is gonna be another mod I will be doing to the Ford here. This is gonna be the side window deflectors. I've always wanted to install these on the truck since I started working on it. I'm gonna show you what I bought here. I got these at O'Reilly's. I've seen a few trucks with these on, and I personally like the way that they look. I want to know if you guys think they're good or not. For now, I'm just gonna turn the camera around and I'll show you what they look like, and I'm gonna get them out of the package, and we're gonna put them onto the truck. All right, so this is what I got right here. Okay. They're called side window deflectors original. This is for my truck here. If you see, it's Ford 09-14 F150, and I think this is the part number 94155. So let's see what they look like. So this way I can get them out of the package so you guys can see what they are. I never seen these. I never bought this before, so we'll see. I think they look cool. I've seen a few trucks with these, so let's see. Okay. Okay. Let's see. These are the front ones, for the front doors. Here, these are for the front doors. Let's get the other ones out of the package here. These are for the rear. Okay, 3M double-sided tape. This shouldn't be that hard, but I just wanted to share this with you guys. And the way I'm gonna do this, there's a couple of alcohol wipes here. Okay, but first test them out and see what they look like. All right, so let me see. I'm gonna test fit them first before I do anything crazy with these. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna get these right here. And I got the wrong one. I think this is the passenger. Let me get the driver's side right here. So let's see. Maybe you can see it right there. Okay. Well, another thing, forgot my little stepping stool here because the truck is so damn high and I'm short. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So let's see. Right, so that's it right there. Oh, okay, I see what's going on here. Okay. Not bad at all. Okay. All right, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna wipe these down. Let me get the alcohol wipes here. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wipe down the side of the door there with grease and wax remover and a microfiber cloth. First thing I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna get the alcohol wipe so I can clean that off on all four doors. Yeah, so grease and wax remover first on this one here, and I'll do one at a time. So for now, I'm just gonna get some of this right here. I'm gonna do that. I hope you guys can hear me all right. I'm testing out the microphone. Okay. Let me change the angle a little bit right here. Let's see right there. Okay. All right, so I'm doing this right now. I'm gonna do the rear door as well, since I'm already on this side. Okay. Am I blocking the way here? Okay, there you go. Okay. Okay. Okay, so that's the first one there. And let's see. I'm gonna position the camera right there. Okay, I'm gonna bring the first one over. Not yet. I almost forgot a step. Alcohol wipe. Okay. There's 4 in the kit, 4 alcohol wipes. So this is what we need to do. This one here is for this one. Okay. Okay. Now let that dry out. Okay. So the instructions are saying that we need to peel off 2 inches at each end. So I guess to center it out or something. So that's what I'll do. Okay. I'm gonna do this 2 inches right there, and then 2 inches right here, about 2 to 3 inches right there on each side. I'm gonna position that, and let's see. Here we go. The first one here. So I'm gonna get this one out of the way right there. Okay, so that right there. And then the next one is gonna be on this side, which is gonna be right there. Right there. That looks all right. Now the next thing to do is reach down here and start peeling off the rest of this tape, the plastic. Huh, not bad. I thought it was gonna be more difficult, but here it is. Next thing to do is just push hard on this so the 2-sided tape sticks to the visor and to the door. Okay. One down, and 1 down, 3 more to go. Okay. Okay. That's the first one there. What do you guys think? I remember back in the day, They used to sell the bigger ones, like really bulky ones that they went all the way from the bottom to here probably. But they were nasty. Though they were, to me, they were ugly. This one here, they don't look that bad. Huh. All right, let's do the second one here. Let's do that one. Okay, right there. Yep, right there. Okay, I'm gonna get the other alcohol wipe, and I will want to repeat the same procedure as the other one. Okay, I'm gonna leave this one here for now. Okay, alcohol wipe. I'm gonna test fit it first, see where I need to be. Okay. Well, you can't miss it. There's a line here where it needs to be. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, so same procedure. Peel these off. It's got a small piece right here at the end. I'm taking this whole thing off. Just this one here. And then I want to be able to take this off when I attach it to the door. So I'm just going to leave that much off. Okay. One more. Okay, right there. I'm gonna go for it. Right now I'm gonna line it up. I'm gonna line it up right there. I'm gonna line it up right there. Make sure everything lines up on the top here. And let's see, make sure I have these. Alright. So that's that right there. Next thing to do is pull this plastic. Okay, so right here. Right there. Okay, there it is. The entire thing came off. Now apply pressure so this thing will stick to the truck. Not bad at all. Super easy mod. Nice. Okay, now I'm gonna get the rag. Okay, I'm gonna wipe it down a little bit. Okay. All right. That's the way it looks. That's the way it looks. What do you guys think? I think I like them. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. If you guys used these before, if you guys like them or not. I think they look pretty good. Personally, I like them. And I've always wanted to do something like this to the truck. And I decided to do it today. And we're doing it together, guys. All right. Well, there it is, guys. There's nothing much to it. It's super easy. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Another 10 minutes or so, I'll be done with this project. Just one more thing, one more mod I've done to the truck. Hopefully you guys like what you guys saw, and if you guys have any questions, let me know. This is one more mod, and soon I'm on, like I mentioned on the previous video, I'm gonna go around the truck, under the truck, front to back, back to the front, inside, and I'm gonna share with you guys everything I've done to the truck. All right, so I'm out for now, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.